Looking to update the email on your Facebook page? Let's walk through the steps to edit your email information. To begin, open the Facebook app and log into your account. Tap the menu icon, 3 horizontal lines, and select Pages. Switch to your page by tapping the down arrow next to the profile photo and choosing the page you want to switch to. Once on your page, tap the profile picture and then the Edit icon at the top right corner. Scroll down and tap Edit next to Detail. Locate the pencil icon next to your email and click on it to make changes. After updating your email, remember to save your changes by tapping the Save option at the bottom left corner. By following these steps, you've successfully edited the email on your Facebook page, ensuring that your contact information is accurate and up to date. Keeping your email information current is essential for effective communication with your audience. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful guides to enhance your online presence.